Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Santa Jatkar. So today we will do the chapter Organic Chemistry. This is our class 11 chapter. So let's start. So today's topic is organic chemistry. So first of all we learn about the basic of organic chemistry. So first we have alkanes single bond N, alkenes double bond E, alkynes triple bond I. तो अगर C1 होएगा तो मिट, C2 होएगा तो इट, C3 होएगा तो प्रॉप, C4 होएगा तो बुट, C5 होएगा तो पेंट, C6 होएगा तो हेक्स, C7 होएगा तो हेप्ट, C8 होएगा तो ऑक्ट, C9 होगा तो नोन, C10 होगा तो डेक. So next we learn about the alkanes. So next we learn about condensed formula, open chain formula of alkanes. The first example is CH4. This is our condensed formula, and open chain formula is CH4. So this is our methane, because C has one molecule, so this is our met. Next we have C2H6. This is our condensed formula. So open chain formula is C2H6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is our ethane, because they have C2. Next CH3. ठीक है, we have so this is also methane. Alkanes is single bond. This is saturated hydrocarbons, जो लास्ट में उसका सफिक्स आएगा n. जनरल फॉर्मूला इज CnH2n+2. कोई एग्जांपल ले लेनी है. एग्जांपल इज C5H12. ठीक है, हमने कोई भी एग्जाम्पल ले लिया. CnH2n+2, C5 ले लिया, H2 ले लिया, N5 हो गया तो +2 हो गया. हमें H निकालना है इसका. ठीक है, फिर हमने इसका C5H2 जो आ गया तो हमारा इसका ये वाला आ गया C5H12. नेक्स्ट वी नो अबाउट एल्कीन्स. एल्कीन्स इस सफिक्स इज इन. इट इज डबल बॉन्ड. It is unsaturated high carbons. General formula is CnH2n. So we do condensed formula of alkenes. Example C2H4 और कहीं CH2 double bond CH2. This is our open chain formula. C double bond CHH. So this is our ethene. Next CH3 CH double bond CH2. So this is our open chain formula. This is our propene. आपने कमेंट करके बताना है कि इसका जो है ये ओपन चेन जो फॉर्मूला, इसका कंडेंस फॉर्मूला क्या होएगा. और ये हमारी 3D रिप्रेजेंटेशन है मीथेन की. ये जो ऊपर वाले पास जो होएगा ना इदा करके, ठीक है, ये हमारा प्लेनर होएगा. जो आके पीछे होएगा ना ये हमारा डैश वेज. फिर ये वाला हमारा सॉलिड वेज. तो ये वाला हमारा, ठीक है, ये और ये प्लेनर होएंगे दोनों. ये डैश वेज तो ये सॉलिड वेज. So our first part of organic chemistry is halogens. They have 18 groups. So 17 group is halogens. So they have 4 groups. Example fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. They have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, ते iodine. ये प्रीफिक्स रहेगी. एग्जाम्पल देख लेने हैं. सी 2 कार्बन है, उसके यहाँ पे क्लोरीन ऐड किया तो हमारा होगा 1 क्लोरो इथेन. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 3 कार्बन एंड 2 सेकेंड में क्लोरीन लगा तो इसका होगा 2 क्लोरो प्रोपीन. नहीं प्रोपीन नहीं प्रोपेन, क्योंकि ये सिंगल बॉन्ड है. The next one is they have 5 carbons and bromine is attached to a third carbon, so they have 3 bromopentane. Next they have 5 carbons but double bond is attached, so we count this number, so we count this side, so they have 2 chloropentane. Next, so we have 5 carbons but they in second we have double chlorine ऊपर and नीचे, so we write 2 dichloropentane. ठीक है. Next they have 6 carbon, but in second carbon we have chloro, and in third carbon we have bromo. So we write 3 bromo, 2 chloro, hexane. In next example we have 6 carbon, but इसमें सारे ही लगी है halogens. So we write we write in alphabetical form. So we know that B पहले आएगा. So we write 2 bromo, 5 chloro, 4 fluoro, 3 iodo, hexane. Okay. So next part is alcohols. Alcohols में हमारा suffix आएगा OL और इसके पीछे हमारा OH आएगा. Example CH3OH. This is 1 carbon, so this is methanol. This is 2 carbons and OH is attached. So this is ethanol. This is our 3 carbon and second carbon has attached OH. So this is our propane 2-ol. And next is 5 carbon, but 2 or 3 carbons are attached OH. So this is our pentane 2,3-diol. Next is, this is our 6 carbons, but in second carbon they have 2 OH attached. So this is our hexane 2,2-diol. So next one is aldehyde. So इसमें हमारा CHO लगेगा इस तरीके से, ये मैं टर्मिनल रहेगा. So example is SCHO. 1 carbon attached, so this is our methanol. 2 carbon attached and CHO is attached, so this is ethanol. 3 carbon attached, propanol. In this, in second have a CHO. So this is our 2-methyl butanol. So we write this is one. So they have methyl part. So next is they have 5 carbons, but in third carbon they both the methyl group is attached. So we write 3,3-dimethyl pentanol. So next example is they have 5 carbons, but in third carbon chlorine is attached. So we write 3-chloropentanol. Okay. So next one is ketones. इसमें हमारा suffix में 1 आएगा. तो example is they have 4 carbons, but O is attached to second carbon. So we write butane 2,1. Next one is 5 carbons, but in second carbon attached 1. So we write pentane 2,1. Next is 5 carbons, but they have double O in 2 and 3. So we write pentane 2,3-di1. ये हमने याद करनी है कि किस तरीके से अगर कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल आए तो हम कर सके. नेक्स्ट, अगर इसमें CHO भी अटैच हो, एल्डिहाइड भी अटैच हो और इसमें O कीटोन वाला ग्रुप भी अटैच हो, सो वी राइट 3-oxopentanol. Next is 6 carbons, but chlorine is attached and 1 O is attached to 3 third carbon. So we write 4-chloro. So chloro को पहले लिखेंगे 4-chloro hexane 3-1. अगर इस तरीके से भी चेन बनाने आ सकती है तो आप चेता कर लेना कि किस तरह से इस मॉलिक्यूल का नेम होएगा. तो नेक्स्ट वी लर्न अबाउट ईथर ग्रुप. ठीक है, वी हैव CH3O एंड CH3. सो वी राइट मिथॉक्सी मीथेन. हमने ना एक पार्ट का हमने एल्डोक्सी वाला ग्रुप मान लेना है और एक पार्ट का हमने अल्केन्स वाला. तो नेक्स्ट वी डू CH3O and CH2CH3. This is our methoxy part and this is our ethane. They have both double bond carbons, so we write ethoxyethane. So this is our methoxy. Because M पहले आंदा है तो we write methoxy. तो this is our 3 carbons, so we write propane, methoxy propane. So next we do carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid में COOH वाला ग्रुप आएगा, उसमें oic acid आएगा. They have 1 carbon, this is HCOH, so we write methanoic. They have 2 carbon, we write ethanoic. They have 4 carbons, we write butanoic. COH is attached to second group, and second group is attached to CH3 methyl group. So we write 2-methyl pentanoic acid. So next is they have 6 carbons, but chlorine is also attached and bromine is also attached. So we write 3-bromo-4-chlorohexanoic acid. Okay. So next we learn about acid chloride. They have aryl chloride. So this is our structure C-double-bond-O-Cl. They have 1 carbon, so we write methanoyl chloride. 2 carbons, ethanol chloride. ठीक है, the 4 carbons but O group is attached and Cl group is also attached. इस तरीके से भी बन के आएगा, ये नहीं कि आकर एकदम सीधा बन के आए. Butanoyl chloride. ठीक है. Next one is acid anhydride. We write this is our structure and last we write anhydride. So this is our chain. So they have they have 2 carbons in each. So we write ethanoic anhydride. ये आपको इस तरीके से भी बन के आएगा molecule. So next one is they have this molecule, so they have 1 carbon and नीचे वाले में 2 carbons है. तो हम लिखेंगे ethanoic methanoic anhydride. तो next one is they have in ऊपर वाली साइड में हमारे 3 कार्बन्स है, तो नीचे साइड में 2 कार्बन्स है, तो हमारा आएगा इथेनॉइक प्रोपेनॉइक एनहाइड्राइड. नेक्स्ट वन इज ईस्टर्स. We write this is our alkyl, so we write OH in last में हम OH लिखेंगे जैसे मिथानॉइड इथेनॉइड. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल इज HCOHC-double-bond-O-CH3. We have 1 carbon, so we write methyl methanoid. 1 part is alkyl part and second part is iod part. So they have both sides. One side the methyl part and second part is iod part. So we write methyl ethanoid, ethyl methanoid, because C2H5 is 2 carbons and this is side have 1 carbon. ठीक है. Next is this side have 3 carbons and this is 2 carbons, so this is our thylpropanoid. Okay. So next is amide group. Amide group is a CuNH2, so we write this have 1 carbon, so we write methanamide. They have 2 carbons, so we write ethanamide. They have 3 carbons, so we write propanamide. So next we learn about primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. This is our structure of ammonia and H3. This is our structure of primary amine and lone pair 2 RHH. This is our secondary amine. ठीक है. This is our tertiary amine. So first of all, learn by primary amine. They have 1 carbon, so we write methanamine, not the methanamide. Methanamine, AMINE. They have 2 carbons, so we write ethanamine. They have 3 carbons, we write propanamine. Next is secondary amine. So they have one is we use methyl part and second is use amide part. So we both have 1 carbon, so we write N-methyl methanamide. So we both have 2 carbons, so we write N-ethyl ethanamide. So we have 1 carbon in this side and 2 carbon in this side. So we write N-methyl ethanamide. Next one is tertiary amine. So N के नीचे हमारा CH3 जो 3 है, तो हमारा आएगा N डाईमिथाइल मीथेनामाइन. इसमें हमारा 2 कार्बन इस साइड में है, पर 1 कार्बन इस साइड में है, 1 कार्बन इस साइड में है, तो हमारा आएगा N डाईमिथाइल, because this one side has 1 carbon and this side has 2 carbons, so we write N dimethyl ethanamine. Next one is CH3 and CH2. So they have N-ethyl, N-methyl ethanamine. Okay. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. सो अगर आपका वीडियो पसंद आई हो प्लीज़ लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और अपने फैमिली मेम्बर के साथ शेयर करना. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.